attention. If you're writing JAMB, you are watching this video probably because you registered for JAMB or you are preparing for your JAMB, right? I made this video because what I'm seeing is not encouraging me at all. The things I'm seeing, yesterday we conducted a poll trying to find out if JAMB exam were to be given to you watching this video this particular day. So I asked that question in this channel: if the exam were set and brought and you are told to write it right now, not next 1 hour, not tomorrow, not next week, but right now, how many will you score? What will be your score? What will you come out with? And after the survey, I found out that many of us are still way backward. If the exam is written down, a great majority of us will not score more than 200. Is that true of us? To be sincere, we are trying to be sincere, because if we are sincere, my goal, like you know already, is for you to enter school this year. Is for you to write your JAMB once and join others in the university, right? My goal, why I keep dropping videos every single day, why I spend my time, my money, my MB making videos for you, is for you to come back with a testimony one day to say, oh sir, you helped me to enter school. Sir, you helped me to score 300 and above in my JAMB. Sir, I was among those that benefited. Your videos helped me. But the things I'm seeing is not encouraging me. For you writing this exam, I want you to ask yourself, go back and ask yourself, if JAMB exam was to be given to you right now, don't postpone it. Don't say if it was given to you tomorrow. No, I'm asking you, I'm taking this very seriously because JAMB is by the corner. Within a few weeks, you are inside JAMB hall, you and your computer, right? I told you some time ago about how many questions you are going to face. If you don't know, let me repeat it. Perhaps it will help to ginger you. It will help to motivate you. It will help to inspire you. It will help to make you wake up and read. Wake up and study. How many questions JAMB will set this year, this particular year? Of course, as a JAMBite, you are going to face 4 subjects and 1 novel, right? 4 subjects. One of them is use of English and other subjects. For science students, it could be English, biology, chemistry, physics. For some others, it could be English, chemistry, physics, mathematics, right? Depending on the aspect of science course you are pursuing. For some others, it could be English, government, CRS, and literature. It could be economics, English, and all the rest. Now, no matter the area, the course you are studying, you are going to be faced with 180 questions. What did I say? 180 questions. You can see that it's not child's play. And you have to write it within 1 day. It's not as though you will write, then go home. It's not as though like WAEC, where you will come write mathematics, go home, read up, come and write English, then you go home. After some days, you can now come and write chemistry. No. Or economics. This one is, those 4 subjects, you must write them within how many minutes? Within 2 hours. Within 120 minutes, you must attempt 180 questions, right? So in your use of English, you will battle with 60 questions. In the other 3 subjects, you will battle with 40 questions. Are you following me? Are you following? If you are following, let me know. In use of English is 60 questions. Why is it 60? Why is it more than the other subject? Because you have a JAMB novel to contend with. You have the novel Lekki Headmaster. For those of you writing this 2025, you have Lekki Headmaster. If you are writing other years, the novel may change, right? You have Lekki Headmaster also incorporated into use of English. Therefore, the number of questions given to you in use of English is often more than that given in the other subjects. Now, I want you to make a quick calculation for me. Use your calculator and find out for me. If you have 180 questions to answer in 120 minutes, if you have 180 questions to answer in 120 minutes, how many seconds do you have per question? Right? Again, if you have 180 questions to answer within 2 hours, how many seconds do you have to answer each of the questions? Tell me in the comment section. That's your first assignment for this video. Remember, don't jump. We are serious. So JAMB is closed. We are serious in this video. Number 2, recall that there are JAMB CBT centers, right? JAMB is a computer-based test, CBT. Some of you have been reaching out to me, said you have never done computer training, you don't know what to do. What you should do is find a friend that has computer. It's not as complicated as some people think. You are not going to start writing. It's just basic ability to use the mouse and click an option. Now, what you need to do, just find somebody that has a laptop, or you can also browse it. Just get yourself familiar with how to use a system, a desktop system. Very important, right? Now, so JAMB is CBT. What it means is the computer, once you on it, your exam starts. The 2 hours start ticking. The minutes start reducing, right? So once the 2 hours, 120 minutes elapses, the system will shut down. Whether you have answered all of them, whether you have answered only 100 questions out of 180, whether you are still in one subject or two subjects. Once it is 120 minutes, 2 hours, the system will shut down. I remember far back when I wrote my own JAMB, right, before I entered school and graduated. That was when JAMB was say paper and we just used pencil to shade. It was not computer based, right? So it was easier, right? It was far easier. You could even ask your neighbor. Maybe there's something you read, you forgot. You could even ask your neighbor if the person is writing something similar to your subject. But right now, the game is different. It is you and your computer. And recall also that there are certain types of questions. The person sitting next to you can be writing use of English and you are writing use of English. But he could be writing use of English type A and you are writing use of English type D or type D. You see that the questions do not tally. That is why I need you to do what? Please read up. JAMB 2025 candidates. Should I kneel down and beg you? My brother, my sister, should I kneel down and beg you? You see, I've been trying, giving you videos every day in this channel. I want you to go back. Don't disappoint me. Or will you disappoint me? Do not disappoint me. Please buckle up. Tighten up your belt. Tighten up your belt and read. Tighten up your study belt and do what? Read like you've never done before. JAMB will repeat its questions. That is why I will, if you are serious and you want me to give you JAMB syllables in your 4 subject, JAMB past questions in your 4 subject, just tell me, just ask me to give you. But that is, if you watch this video to the end, I will tell you what you have to do, so that I will give you those materials free of charge, so that you will not have any excuse. You will not say I do not have past question. You will not say I do not know where to get the syllables. I will give them to you for you to start reading. Many candidates will fail. That is the truth. Close to 2 million persons have registered for JAMB this year. I hope you are aware. Last year it was 1.9 million that registered. This year more people have registered, right? It means, and that last year, out of 1.9 million persons that registered for JAMB last year, that was 2024, over 1.4 could not be able to score up to 200. Can you imagine? Over 1.4 could not be able to score up to 200. Now, for you, this year will not be different. This year, many people will still fail. More than 1 million persons will fail. You should not be one of them. You should not be one of those that will score 180 or 150 or 130. You should not be one of those that will be ashamed of your JAMB result. You should not be one of those that will spend extra 1 year or become JAMB customer. Every year you are coming to write JAMB. I want you to reject it. Type I reject it. If you reject it, type I reject it. You reject poor result in this JAMB. So I've done a series of videos for you. Now pay attention. I've done these things on the screen are titles of videos we've done. If you want me to give you the link to all the videos I've done on your subject, I've done more than 40 videos on Lekki Headmaster, the JAMB novel. If you need me to give you free, I will give you. If you need me to give you the videos I've done on use of English, past questions, expo questions, all the aspects, synonyms, antonyms, similar meaning, fill up the gaps, letters and structure. If you need me to give it to you, I will give it to you free. Where I taught those things, just indicate in the comments and say, give me the link to, and then you mention the name of those subjects. I will give it to you free. I promise you, I will do my own part to make sure that you pass. My fear is, will you do your own part? If you will do, tell me. Tell me what you are doing. And feel free to tell me where you're having issues. Where are you having issues? Where are you having problems? What is it that could prevent you from scoring 300 and above in this JAMB? What is that thing that could prevent you from scoring 300 and above? What is that thing that will make you to cry like you are seeing on the screen? Feel free to talk to me about it. Anything you need that will help you to secure a good result, let me know. You want me to send you all the videos we've done, just tell me the name of the subject. If it is Lekki Headmaster, if it's the use of English, if it is chemistry, physics, biology, economics, any of your subjects, just tell me, give me the link to all the videos you've done on that particular subject. I could give them to you free. Also, if you want our free JAMB past question and free syllabus for JAMB in those 4 subjects you are writing, it is simple. Just do 4 things for me. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. You can see the option to join the YouTube channel in this our channel. Somewhere in this channel, you see the option to join. Click on it and join. It's compulsory. It's a must. Click on it, join. Then number 2, like this particular video you are watching. Click on like it. Number 3, share this video. Very, very, very important. Share it here on YouTube. Click on share, copy the link to this video, share it on all the channels you belong to. Telegram groups, Telegram channels you belong to for JAMB candidates, WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp channels, Facebook groups, everywhere JAMB candidates are gathered. Share the link to this video. It will wake them up. You have your friends, you have your sisters, you have your classmates writing JAMB. Share this quickly with them. We don't have time for this JAMB. Now, when you have shared, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe. Once you click on subscribe and turn on the notification bell, click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell, then come under this video and type, I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see you type, I've subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all the materials you need. Remember, JAMB is not child's play. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it now and watch immediately.